Welcome back to the Tutoring Pros channel. If you're looking for a higher GED math score, make sure that you watch the entire video, try some of the questions on your own, and let's get started. For number 1, they want us to solve this expression, 10 minus 5 plus 4 times 11. First, we need to follow PEMDAS, which is the order of operations. We need to simplify the inside of the parentheses. 10 minus 5 is 5, plus 4 times 11. The next step from PEMDAS would be to multiply 4 and 11. This will give us 5 plus 44, and then 5 plus 44 is 49. For number 2, it says the following set of data is given: 12, 14, 20, 18, 16, 14, 24, 16, 14. Adding which pair of numbers would make the mean higher? If you look at all the answer choices, if the objective is to try to make the mean higher, that's the overall average, we want to pick the highest numbers possible, which would be 22 and 24. Abigail would like to purchase a new Kindle for $160. She has a coupon at Best Buy for 20% off. How much will the Kindle cost if she uses the coupon? So first of all, if the Kindle costs $160, then 10% of that would be $16. 20% would just be double that, which would be $32. If Abigail had a 20% off coupon, then all we would need to do is subtract the full price of $160 by 20% of it, which is $32, which would give us $128. On the last day camp, Crystal wants to treat her cabin to popsicles. She has 12 girls in her cabin. At the camp store, Crystal can buy a pack of 4 popsicles for $3.50. What will it cost her to buy popsicles for her entire cabin? Since there's 12 girls that she needs to buy popsicles for, and each pack of popsicles comes with 4, that means she would need to buy 3 packs of popsicles in order to have one for every girl. So we're going to multiply the cost for a pack of 4 times the number of packs that she needs to buy. $3.50 times 3 will be $10.50. For number 5, solve the inequality y minus 9 is greater than 18. To get y by itself, all we need to do is add 9 to both sides, and we will get y is greater than 27. Peter went to the hardware store with $10. He needs to purchase some light plate and outlet covers. Here are the prices at the store. He has enough money to purchase which set of items below? For this question, we need to think about if he has $10, he must need to purchase the smallest amount because 3 out of the 4 answer choices have to be wrong. So if we look at outlet plate covers, which is the more expensive option, A has 4, B has 6, C has 4, D has 6. If we eliminate the ones with the higher number of outlet plates, it can't be B and it can't be D. If we compare A and C, A says to buy 7 light plate covers and C says to purchase 6 light plate covers. Since C has the smaller amount of light plate covers, that should be the answer. What is the slope of the line? So you have to remember that slope is rise over run. So we're going to pick a point. We'll choose the y-intercept. And we need to see how many we have to go up and how many we have to go to the right to get to this next point. So up would be 1, 2. And then we'd have to go 1 to the right. So that should give us 2 over 1, which is 2. And as you can see, A and B are the same exact option. So we'll go with either of those. Number 8. The table below shows the number of bouncy ball possibilities at an arcade. Each of the bouncy balls have one color and one design. If a red bouncy ball is chosen at random, what is the probability that it will have stars on it? Whenever we're trying to find probability, we want to have what we're looking for. I'm going to write looking for over the total. So it says if a red bouncy ball is chosen at random, so if we're only looking at red bouncy balls, what is the possibility that it will have stars? So we're looking for red bouncy balls that have stars. That's 3. And we're going to divide that by the total number of red bouncy balls, which is 5 plus 3 plus 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. And we can simplify 3 over 12 to be 1 over 4. Below is a chart showing the attendance record for a math summer camp. On which day is the number of students' attendance a prime number? So if we look at all the days, Monday is 12, that's not prime. Tuesday is 11, that is a prime number. We'll check the rest of them just in case. Wednesday is 14, that's not a prime number. Thursday is 12, that is also not a prime number. So that means on Tuesday, the number of student attendance is a prime number. Paul is building a new doghouse for his dogs. The old doghouse has a base that measures 2 by 3. The plans for the new doghouse have a base that measures 3 by 5. How much larger is the area of the new doghouse than the old doghouse? So what we're going to do is find the area of the new doghouse and subtract it by the area of the old doghouse. The new doghouse is 3 by 5. If we multiply them together to find the area, that's going to be 15. And we're going to subtract that by the old doghouse measures, which is 2 and 3. We multiply them together. That's going to give us 6. So if we subtract 15 and 6, that's going to give us 9 feet squared. So 9 feet is going to be the difference between the two doghouses. What is the area of the blue space below? The way that we find the area of the blue space is we need to find the area of the square and then subtract the area of the circle. The area of the square is going to be 6 times 3, which is 18 feet squared. And we're going to subtract that by the area of the circle. So the radius of the circle is 2. So this is going to be pi times 2 squared. This will give us 18 minus 4 pi. And we know pi is 3.14. So that will give us 18 minus 12.56. 18 minus 12.56 is 5.44 approximately. So that's around 5.5 meters squared.